Hey, it's Heather, and these are my top 3 of October 2020. First, wax seal stamps. I love letter writing and came across the heart wax seal stamp and some wax sticks in a craft store and was so excited. I ordered the paw print in letter H as well, and I love being able to seal an envelope with a personalised wax seal. Number 2 is roller skates, and this came about because in September of 2020 I did a week of live streams for Mental Health Awareness Week. One of the prompts was to reconnect with an activity that you haven't done for a while. When I was a kid I had rollerblades and more courage, but in October I found this pair of roller skates and I have loved taking them out to a skating rink and rediscovering my balance and the joy of rolling along. The third is self-care. This month I was able to treat myself to a visit to the hair salon and I picked up some expensive hair products. The best part is that I love the pretty box that it came in and I'm using it for storage. Speaking of treats, this month's Bonus Cooking with Heather features my favourite treat, Neiman Marcus cookies. You'll need half a cup of softened butter, 1 cup of light brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of plain white sugar, 1 large egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence or extract. Mix that in. Then get a sieve. Add 1 3/4 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 1/2 teaspoons of instant espresso coffee powder, and sift it through. Give that a good mix. Then add 1 1/2 cups of chocolate chips or buttons and mix them in. Spoon them onto a cookie sheet and bake gently at 150 degrees Celsius till they just give a little resistance when pressed. While they were baking, I'm making a cup of coffee in my huge It's All Good mug. It takes about 20 minutes for the cookies to cook, so you've got time to enjoy a cuppa. I took my coffee outdoors and I found Eeyore's favourite thistles and enjoyed the blossoms on the apple tree. The cookies are done and ready to enjoy, and I hope that you enjoyed this round of my favourite things. What are your favourite things from October 2020? I would love to know. And until next time, be empowered by nature.